इनफैक्ट मैं अभी बात भी कर रही हूँ तो मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हुए हैं when you feel कि there are such a huge परिवार of Guruji and I can't explain but I think all of you must be feeling the same कि जैसे ही पता लगता है गुरुजी की संगत है तो और भी अच्छा लगने लगता है। इनफैक्ट हम कई बार होता है कि हम जाते हैं कोई पार्टी में, लेकिन होता क्या है कि कुछ ना कुछ बात निकल आती है गुरुजी की and it ends up with Guruji's success only, you know, that party becomes more beautiful when there's so many people and they're all, you know, blessed by Guruji and it turns out to be a Guruji's success party in fact. बाकी जो हम गुरुजी से जुड़े थे वो तो I think you all must have heard. I'll be probably repeating myself कि I've done so many satsang and there's so many of them on the YouTube, but still I think every time आप कुछ सत्संग नरेट करते हैं तो कोई ना कोई किसी ना किसी संगत को आंसर मिलता है। वी आर जस्ट द मीडिएटर्स। एक तो जो शब्द गुरबानी होती है उससे भी आपको आंसर मिलते हैं और अदरवाइज ऑल्सो जो गुरुजी अभी सत्संग कराएंगे मे बी यू नो इट्स एन आंसर टू समबडी इन द संगत ओवर हियर। सो हम गुरुजी से सबसे पहले जुड़े थे 1995 में और ऐसा हुआ था कि मेरे बड़े ब्रदर पहले गुरुजी के पास गए। ही वाज इन जलंधर थे, तो जब वहाँ गए तो वो भी किसी फ्रेंड के थ्रू गए थे और बहुत कम संगत होती थी, जैसे आप अभी इधर बैठे हैं यू नो लिटिल मोर देन दिस, इतनी संगत होती थी एंड इट वाज ओनली बाय वर्ड ऑफ माउथ कि आप गुरुजी के पास जाते थे। सो माय ब्रदर वेंट विद अ फ्रेंड ऑफ हिज, मिले गुरुजी जो भी कोई जाता था पहली बार तो गुरुजी हमेशा उसको पूछते थे कि तेरा नाम की कर रहे हैं तू यू नो एंड ही यूज्ड टू गिव अ स्मॉल पॉकेट डायरी ही ऑलवेज हैड एंड ही यूज्ड टू से कि ਇਹਦੇ ਚ अपना नाम एड्रेस पता सब कुछ लिख दो एंड वी यूज्ड टू डू दैट। देन ही आस्क्ड माय ब्रदर कि लाइक तेरे मम्मी डैडी का ਕੀ नाम है, सो ही टोल्ड यू नो गुरुजी ने बोला अच्छा ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਈ। Now we being from a Sikh family, you know, we only believe in Guru Granth Sahib, no living God, and no statues you'll find in Gurudwaras. So it was a little tough, you know. It was a tough call for my brother to tell my parents कि हम लोग एक गुरु के पास गए थे और आपको बुला रहे हैं। फिर भी उसने डरते डरते एक बार उनको मम्मी को बोल दिया कि गुरुजी ਅਸੀਂ गुरुजी को जाने ਤੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। सो मम्मी took it in a very positive manner. She said, अगर कोई महापुरुष बुला रहा है तो blessings भी मिलेंगी. What is the harm in going, you know? So they came to Guruji, and my dad was a very I mean he was a God-fearing, very simple man, no airs, no double standards, very straightforward. मतलब जो मन में आया बोल दिया सीधा. Sometimes you know it was very funny because he was so open-minded. I mean he was so frank that he would just speak what is in his mind without realizing what the other person might think. So which means he was a very simple, straightforward person. Not that we used to go to the Gurudwara every day या बीच में जाते थे लेकिन मानते गुरुद्वारे को ही थे। तो जब he had little doubts in his mind, तो जब गुरुजी के पास गए तो गुरुजी ने पूछा कि तू तो उस महकमे में काम करता है ना, मीन्स इस डिपार्टमेंट में यू आर वर्किंग। डैडी सेड yes. So and Daddy also remembered that Guruji used to visit Chandigarh Secretariat, which was my dad's head office, when he used to go for certain, you know, some work or something. So Guruji used to visit there sometimes. So he remembered that हाँ एक तुसी आंदे था सी, and in his mind he had an image कि कहते हाँ इतना चला जा बंदा आंदा सी। He didn't tell Guruji that, but he meant कि Guruji वो काफी मिरेकल्स करते थे उस टाइम भी। सो दे यूज्ड टू फील कि आई मीन कमला जो बंदा यू नो कमला पंजाबी में बोल देते हैं, नॉट इन अ डेरोगेटरी फॉर्म, जस्ट लाइक दैट यू नो कि हाँ कि ऐसे करके कोई आता था एंड ही यूज्ड टू डू दिस। सो ही रिमेंबर्ड एंड देन गुरुजी आस्क्ड हिम कि फला फला कितने है वो, तो गुरुजी देन माय डैड सेड कि गुरुजी होता अकाल चलाना चाहते मींस ही इज नो मोर। ऐसे ही स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू माय डैड टू मेक हिम फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल। And thereafter, you know, first time only, he blessed my dad with divine prasad, which was like, it used to be a huge pinni prasad, Daddy told us, It was a huge one. And जब हाथ में रखा, it was like जैसे straight out of कढ़ाई. It was so hot. So my dad was, shifting one hand to the other. It was so hot. And then he said कि तुसी संगत च one to 3/4 and बाकी you keep it with you. Whenever there is a problem, you can have this. And that prasad was loaded with the fragrance of roses. पूरा जैसे लगता था पूरा इधर ही डाल दिया उसमें. Not even a perfume, पूरा इधर जैसे डाल दिया उसमें. It was so fragrant. And I remember हम लोग उसको कोई जगह तो होती नहीं थी, कई बार पर्स में कोई पेपर में लपेट के रख देते थे. तो our purse used to smell, it used to have that fragrance. It would go. So that was his first visit, and then he asked him to see ਤੁਹਾਡੇ कितने बच्चे हैं. So we are 5 brothers and sisters. Then he asked their names. Okay, what are their names? We were all married, had children. So when he gave everyone's name, then Guruji said, "Dolly, come in बुलाओ." तो मम्मी ने बोला ठीक है गुरुजी, क्या नाम है उनका? One brother was already going there, so he asked for us. उसके बाद मम्मी डैडी told us, but then we being in Delhi and Shami was so busy, he was reading news those days. तो लगता था कि चलो जब जाएंगे पंजाब, we have relatives, so we'll go visit. मतलब ये नहीं कि स्पेशली जाएंगे. But every time मम्मी डैडी ने जाना शुरू करा वहाँ पे, तो गुरुजी used to say कि Dolly Shabinu बुलाओ, Dolly Shabinu बुलाओ. So it became to a point that my mother was very embarrassed one day. So she said, Guruji, तुसी आप ही बुला लो. असी ना क्या क्या थे हटे. So they had told us कि ऐसे एक गुरुजी हैं, this is what he does, इसका कैंसर क्योर कर दिया, उसका माइग्रेन क्योर कर दिया, मतलब lot. So it seemed like stories to us. So one fine day जब गुरुजी हमारे दिमाग में आ गया, that we have to go. Guruji का call था. So we booked our train, and then Didi also said कि I'll also come with you. So we said ठीक है. तो हमने tickets book करी. शताब्दी जाती थी तब. और my son was very small, I think 4-5 years or something. हम लोग गुरुजी के पास चले गए. तो मम्मी said कि हम तुम्हें ना स्टेशन से ले लेंगे. तो we'll come from Chandigarh and we'll pick you up from the station. So that's what happened. गुरुजी के मंदिर में हम गए. सुबह आई थिंक 11-11:30 कुछ इतने बजे के करीब पहुंची थी. हाँ जी, something around that time. So we reached there and Guruji was in his bedroom still. और हम जाके ड्राइंग रूम में बैठ गए. So I was feeling very thirsty. So I said Guruji, मतलब not Guruji wasn't there. मम्मी मुझे बड़ी प्यास लगी है. मम्मी से चल मैं तेरे नाल चल दिया किचन जो. मैं कहा नहीं don't get up, बेचारे बैठे हैं नीचे. Just tell me where is the kitchen, I'll go have it. I went to the kitchen and there was nobody there. संगत भी बहुत कम थी सुबह. I think संगत थी या नहीं थी, I still don't remember. I had water. मैं बाहर निकली और जैसे typical घर होते हैं, like 2 bedrooms, then there was a lobby in the middle, then the drawing room, and on one side was the kitchen. So as I walked out of the kitchen, Guruji walked out of his room. Now I had seen Guruji's, Swaroop pictures देखी हुई थी. I know how does he look, but he didn't know me. I mean, he had never met me. So when he walked out, so when I bowed, touched his feet. So जो भी करा मैंने प्रणाम या नमस्ते या सत श्री अकाल, I told him. So Guruji said, Dolly, आ गई तू? He smiled and told me, Dolly, आ गई तू? And I'm between here and there. I said, there is nobody with me. How does he know I'm Dolly? And we don't call Guruji and say we are coming, So I said, ठीक है. I went to the drawing room. बैठ गुरुजी अपने आसन में बैठ रहे. So मम्मी said कि गुरुजी Dolly शमी आ गई. कहते हाँ मैंने पता है कि चंगी कुड़ी है. So we sat like this with Guruji. So then Guruji he started asking, what do you do? My husband said, Guruji, मैं तो खबरां पढ़ना है. Then Guruji started talking about current affairs, politics. जैसे you pay a visit to someone like a social visit, so he started asking him that. And then he asked me, Viva, what do you do? So they all said, Dolly तो गाना गाती है गुरुजी. कहते अच्छा चल फिर सुना दे कुछ. I was taken aback. I said, because you are visiting somebody for the first time, we didn't know. Now though everybody knows that Guruji was so fond of music. So I was taken aback. I said, Guruji, but मैं तो कोई डायरी वायरी नहीं लाई. Obviously, I sing shabads in front of Guruji. I won't be singing something else. So he says, कोई गाल नहीं, जितना आंदे सुना दे. So I started singing. Shami got a briefcase from somewhere. So he gives very good beat. So he was giving me beat on briefcase, and I started singing. एक शब्द का थोड़ा सा गाया, incomplete. Then I sang another one. I said, Guruji, ऐसा नहीं छोड़ दे, कहते कोई गाल नहीं सुना दे, सुना दे. So I started singing. And Guruji kept on saying, और सुना दे, और सुना दे. So there came a point. I said, Guruji, मैंने उनका सिर्फ फिल्मी गाने याद है. कहते तू वही सुना दे. So that was Guruji's, connection. Like he wanted you to bring out your passion. And for me, I always feel music is very, very divine. I find it very pure. I give it I have a very high status in my mind about music, that it is, you can't just buy from the market, you can't learn also like that. You can polish, but the main voice is God gifted. So I give that kind of importance. Whereas, like in Punjab, music was looked down upon. Now it is very famous, now it's a different thing. And especially for girls, it wasn't considered respectable. They used to say, "Tusi Gana Marasi banna hai." The straight word used to be Marasi banna hai. So it was really, and whereas, in my eyes, I held music in very high esteem. Anyway, I think he understood that, so I started singing songs for him. So that was our first meeting with Guruji. And then, I don't know why I told him I had a gynec problem. So I told Guruji कि मेरी तो डॉक्टर बोल रही थी मेरा ऑपरेशन हो जाए यूट्रस निकलेगा because I have fibroids and I'm very scared. He said, अच्छा चल मैं तेरा ऑपरेशन कर देना है. I said, my God, I have put my foot in my mouth. He is not a doctor. I am visiting him for the first time. What मैं डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जा रही. What will he do? He says, नहीं ऐसा रो पान के पत्ते बना लो. 51 rupees दे या 51 पान के पत्ते बना लो. So I said, मैं कहा चलो कोई बात नहीं. My husband was there, my parents were there, my brother was there. I said चलो कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं होएगा. देखते हैं क्या होता है. आगे पान के पत्ते. So he directed me towards the room. He asked me to lie down, and I saw there were 2-3 more aunties there. So I felt slightly relaxed कि कोई है और. So I lay down, and he came. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा अपना शर्ट ऊपर करा. He says he had a spoon with a very long handle. So he pressed at one point. I don't know where because I was lying down. He says ऐसे दर्द है. मैं क्या हाँ जी. So उन्होंने बस सिर्फ पान के पत्ते, he just spread them horizontally on my stomach, and he told me चल तेरा हो गया ऑपरेशन. I said what is this? I mean logical thinking people, हमारा mind तो उस तरह चलता है ना reasoning कि ऐसे थोड़ी ऑपरेशन होता है. कह रहे हैं ऐसे चलो no harm done. So came out. उसके बाद I think we came home. Then next month again we went to him. So Guruji again said कि तेरा ऑपरेशन दोबारा करना पड़ेगा. So the same process was repeated, and then he told me जाओ जाके बाहर सैर कराओ. हम थोड़े सैर करके आ गई मैं. And then he said कि चल हो गया तेरा ऑपरेशन, बनाता तेरे को 16 साल की जवान, जाके अल्ट्रासाउंड करा ले. मैं क्या अच्छा मैंने कहाँ जाना था अल्ट्रासाउंड कराने, कोई नहीं कराया. So every time I used to go to him, he used to tell me अल्ट्रासाउंड करा ले, and I would say no Guruji. मतलब there came a point कि Guruji उसके बाद he came to Chandigarh for a while. Then he came to Delhi, Empire State. So one fine day I had a problem. In between I had bleeding. So I said अब तो जाना ही पड़ेगा डॉक्टर के पास. So I went to a doctor, gynecologist. I told her that I had fibroids when my child was born. The doctor told me that time only कि you plan your family fast because you have multiple fibroids in your uterus. So, but I had a very tough pregnancy, so I never thought of the second child. So then I told her this. So she said, don't worry, we'll do your ultrasound and whatever the need is, we'll do it. So she checked me thoroughly and there was nothing inside. There was not a trace. So then I went and told Guruji, मैं ultrasound करा लिया. कहते देखा? गुरु ने करता. Then he used to tell us कि सारे बैठे होते थे फायर स्टेज में, यूज्ड टू टेल अस कि चल उठ के सुनाते हैं गुरु ने कि मैं ठीक किया, बट शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट, मतलब डोंट स्ट्रेच लाइक दिस. So then, and then we used to feel उस टाइम कि गुरुजी is bragging और what, मतलब अपनी ही तारीफ करा रहे हैं और, but हम लोग तो उसी एंगल से सोचते हैं ना, materialistic world के हिसाब से. We don't know what is beyond that. But I mean, there is definitely much more than that. So every satsang was a answer to someone. So and we had a very fun kind of a relationship with Guruji. It wasn't a very serious कि वो बिल्कुल ही ऐसे करके बैठ जाओ and all that. He used to joke with us. We used to talk with him, and we never looked beyond that. We never thought what Guruji is. मतलब we couldn't imagine कि ये सब था कि गुरुजी ठीक कर रहे हैं, ऐसे मिरेकल्स हो रहे हैं, मतलब अजीबोगरीब बातें हो रही हैं. बट आई डोंट नो, हमारा माइंड वाज नॉट वर्किंग बियॉन्ड दैट कि a normal person can't do this, but he was doing all that. He used to laugh, he used to हम मत्था जब देखते थे तो he used to address my husband as love marriage, and then मत्था देखते थे, कई बार ना लेट हो जाते थे, लेट इन द सेंस काफी दिन गए नहीं गुरु जी के पास, तो मत्था टेका तो गुरु जी यूज्ड टू से कि आर यू नास्तिक, एंड ही वुड से इन अ मैनर दैट ओनली यू कुड हियर. गुरबानी चलती थी खूब अच्छे वॉल्यूम में, तो जब आप मत्था टेकते थे तो यू आर वेरी ओनली यू कैन आई मीन या हियर व्हाट ही इज सेइंग. सो ही वुड से आर यू नास्तिक, तो हम डर के मारे ना पीछे जाके मैं बैठ जाती थी, एंड आई हैड टू सिट इन अ मैनर दैट I can't catch it, he can't catch my, side. But मैं चुपके से बैठ जाती थी. But then after a while he used to come, जब काफी संगत चली जाती थी, चल आजा, चल बैठ जा, सुना दे अपनी जोरुद्दीन गुलाम मुझे तो लब जाऊगा, आजा बैठ जा, सुना दे अच्छे से वर्षा. So I mean that was his way, his relationship with us. So now we wonder कि मतलब आजकल की I feel जो संगत है, they have taken Guruji as God. Whereas हम लोगों ने गुरुजी को गॉड नहीं माना. I think that is a very very big mistake and regret which remains in our hearts कि हमने उनको उसके beyond देखा ही नहीं. But गुरुजी ने अगर वही है पल्ला पकड़ा है अपना, तो he'll always be there for us. He'll never, we might deviate and भटक सकते हैं, but गुरुजी हमारा पल्ला नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Once he's caught us, so we are there. So we are all blessed कि हम गुरुजी से जुड़े हुए हैं, and I feel very proud and I feel very good about it कि हम सब गुरुजी की संगत हैं. So that's all. I mean it can go on and on and on. और
एक वो शमी अंकल का मेट्रो वॉइस.
अच्छा हाँ गुरुजी ने उस टाइम हमें we were thinking of starting our own sound studio. But क्या था कि and Shami had a lot of work. He used to do a lot of advertising, jingles, commercials. But वो किसी ना किसी और के स्टूडियो में रिकॉर्डिंग करते थे और महीने में कम से कम 20-25 दिन उनकी रिकॉर्डिंग होती थी. And I often used to tell him कि why don't we open our own studio? So he used to feel कि नहीं, उस टाइम कम स्टूडियो होते थे. मेरा दोस्त था, मैंने अभी कराया सेटअप, he'll get upset. So I used to say, but we also need something, in our later we need a where we can fall upon, later we also need some kind of running income or something. But he was very scared of taking an initiative. तो वो तब हम गुरुजी के पास जाते थे, तो गुरुजी ने बोला कि ऐसे बैठे थे हम सारे. And I'm talking about the time when Guruji was in Jalandhar and there was only Doordarshan, no other channel. He said जाओ जाके अपना स्टूडियो खोलो. तो आप ये सोचो कि उस टाइम स्टूडियो मेंट फोटो स्टूडियो, आम जनता को यही मालूम था कि इट्स अ फोटो स्टूडियो. वेरी फ्यू पीपल न्यू कि देयर इज अ थिंग कॉल्ड साउंड स्टूडियो एंड वीडियो स्टूडियो व्हाटएवर. सो ही सेड बट वी अंडरस्टूड. So that was Guruji's, initial push to us. And then there's a long story again how we went to US. हमारा प्रोग्राम बन गया. We got the equipment from there. There was an exhibition going on. We had no money with us, but Shami's cousin met us. He said, no, you take my credit card, take whatever you want. And we got some very good deals. We got all digital equipment. उस time सारा I don't know if you understand, analog different method होता था of recording. So and we got all digital. and we opened the studio. Guruji blessed that place. We bought a place, a very prime property in Hosnas Enclave. That also was blessed by Guruji, and we set up our sound studio, and also the first digital sound studio in Delhi. All blessed by Guruji. And then Guruji used to tell, I mean, voice. मतलब he told Shami uncle also कि तुम्हारी voice, I don't know exact words, कि अमर हो जाएगी, it meant. And see, after news, lot of news leaders, they had nothing to do. I mean, Shami was connected with advertising. He was still doing. News was like he used to only. He was a casual. He was on the casual basis. He was not on the regular. He never took a regular job because then he could do his own private work. But then lot of newsreaders after retirement were doing nothing. Shami was doing recordings. But then आप देखिए after he faded from news. I mean, I won't say he faded from news. After he left news, he got this metro thing announcements, which actually, I mean, will make him amar in the sense that all over India, wherever you have metro, all the Hindi announcements are done by him. And Sridharan ने उसी time बोला था कि I want this voice to remain. So wherever there is Hindi, so it's his voice. And now it's not only his voice, we have the total production of all the announcements all over India. Even if you have a Marathi voice, it will be through us. We give them the artist. So we give them the files, everything recorded in
I saw one on environment also. He
Hmm.
was giving some in
the
your society only.
environment, see, already उनको एक बार उसमें भी बनाया था टेलीफोन एडवाइजरी कमेटी में मेंबर.
I saw one video.
And then he was also appointed in environment committee. That time, like all his already jobs, but then it depended on your how famous या how successful you are. So ऐसे बहुत सारे special police officer का भी दे दिया था उनको. Lot of things were given to him like this. So it has to be blessings, you can't, I mean, everybody works hard, everybody does, but then blessings have to be there, you can't move forward without blessings.
Voice तो उनकी अच्छी थी वो.
हाँ जी. So that's all. तो दीदी को बोलते हैं why doesn't she do such a
एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट तो सब दो लाइनें लग जाएगा प्लीज.
News reader.
I was going to say that.
चलो.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Guruji's favorite song.
Yes.
हाँ जी.
गुरुजी का फेवरेट सॉन्ग है.
लग जा